Tired of that annoying audio lag syncing your Bluetooth headphones or speakers with your Android phone? Let's fix that frustrating Bluetooth audio delay and get you back to seamless wireless listening. First up, the simplest fix: restart both your Bluetooth device and your phone. Power off your headphones or speaker, then restart your Android phone completely. Once your phone is back on, turn your Bluetooth audio device back on and try reconnecting. If restarting didn't do the trick, we'll clear the Bluetooth apps cache and data. Navigate to your phone's settings, then find apps or apps and notifications. Tap See All Apps, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Show System. Search for BLUETOOTH and tap on it now. Tap Storage and Cache, and then select Clear Cache. If that doesn't resolve it, you can also try Clear Storage or Clear Data, but know this will remove all previously paired Bluetooth devices, so you'll need to repair them. For a more advanced fix, we'll dive into developer options. If you don't see developer options, go to Settings greater than About Phone and tap on Build number 7 times quickly until it says you are now a developer. Head back to Settings. Then find System or About Phone and tap Developer Options. Scroll down to the Bluetooth section. Here, you can experiment with different settings. Look for Bluetooth AV or CP version and try changing it to a different option. Then find Bluetooth audio codec. Your phone and headphones might not support all codecs, so try cycling through the available options like LDAC, AAC, or SBC. Sometimes switching to a more basic codec like SBC can reduce lag. After making any changes in developer options, it's a good idea to turn your phone's Bluetooth off and then back on again, and then repair your Bluetooth headphones or speaker. Test your audio again, and hopefully, that lag is a thing of the past. Give these steps a try and get back to enjoying lag-free wireless audio on your Android.